The Chico Center is like a second home to me. This is where some of my best memories have been made.
Oh, I love it. Love being outdoors. It's hard work, you know, it's rough a little bit, but for me, way better than working in an office.
The Chico Center is amazing. It's a great opportunity to step out of your comfort zone. The opportunities we get, you can't get it anywhere else.
I lost my job after COVID.
And I moved up to Chico about 5 years ago for college. I was just kind of looking around for jobs.
Honestly, I was very unsure of what I wanted to do career-wise.
You know, I really always enjoyed working outdoors, and so I thought that was a good place to start.
I just joined the Seas to see what it would be like.
It's really actually been a life-changing experience for me. We're all here to learn and try hard. So it's going to be a pretty work-oriented, supportive atmosphere.
The people here are welcoming and willing to teach you. Nobody here will shy you away from learning something that you want to learn.
Well, I got flood fighting, Sawyer certified, burnings, first aid and CPR, EMR, which is emergency medical responder. You can get your food safe, tool orientation, how to properly use hand tools and power tools.
I know that I'll be well set up for a career immediately after. Also gives a lot of opportunity for scholarships. And for someone like me, I don't plan on doing any schooling after this, but I have tons of student loans to deal with. And all of these scholarships you can be used to throw directly towards student loans. You know, I was a little skeptical joining just because I was unsure of what I was getting into. And then within a week, I know yeah, this is something cool.
If you come to our center with an open mindset, willing to learn new things and take new opportunities, you're gonna figure some things out, and that's pretty exciting.
Yeah.